Bro, there's some huge birds over there. I'm sure they're gonna run as soon as I get close to them, but I want to get at least a little bit closer. They look like they're ready to run, but hola. I wonder if that one is doing that with its head, kind of like hiding it. Why is it doing that? Maybe it's to protect itself or something. This one has one leg lifted up for whatever reason. Maybe, I don't know, as if it's ready to run. Are they sleepy? Hey, I love you. God loves you more. Thank you for being in my life today. You made me happy. Yeah, you made me happy. They both hit their face. Bye. Have a good day. Wonder what these birds are called. They're amazing. Really big birds. Let me see something. What if I get down? Will they run? Hey. Wow. Amazing, dude. Those beaks are huge. Wow. Praise God. Look at that sky. They're here at the 7-Eleven. Oh, they're hiding their head again. Oh, look at it. What's it doing with its feathers? Hey, can you fly? Or you just walk? Look at those talons. They're huge. They could definitely harm me if they wanted to. And they probably could if I get any closer. Which is why I haven't gotten closer. I'm still pretty close though. I'm surprised they haven't run away. Hey, it's okay. Hey. Wow. You're amazing, you know that? Wow. God made animals so cool and beautiful. Majestic. I guess they just wanted to rest here. I'm just bothering them. Probably. That's all I do to anybody anyway. I bother people and I bother animals. Bother everybody around me. Oh, it was nice to meet you. They walk really slow. But I bet they can walk really fast if they want to. What? That was a poopski. He just pooped. Or she. I don't know. Look at this beauty, you know. Beautiful sunset. These beautiful animals. They might be hungry actually. Oh, I have some ribs. I wonder if they'll eat a rib. Let me see. Give me a sec. I don't know if birds eat that kind of meat, but I'll give it a shot. I was looking for someone to give these ribs to because I'm not gonna eat them. I bought too much and I'm full. Let's see if they'll eat one. Let's see. Well, if that truck doesn't scare the hell out of them. Hey, you want one? Be careful with my hand, please. My hand's hurt. Well, okay. Eat it. Oh, you took a bit of it. Yeah. Does he like it? It's hard for them to get it inside. Share. I think it's hard for them to like. I should have like sliced it up somehow. They managed to tear some pieces. Oh, there we go. Oh. I guess they like it. Oh, this one took. If God feeds the birds, how much more will He feed you? Right? You know that verse? Jesus said that. He loves you. You're so smart. You just shake it until it breaks. This is worth more than a lot of money. This experience. Being able to feed birds. Looking at them from up close, from this close. I'd never seen these type of birds before. This is like an hour, more than an hour from where I live, so it's my first time seeing these birds. That one took the chunk over there. This one's enjoying this. Oh, I guess the ribs were for these guys. I wanted to give it to a homeless person that was hungry, but I couldn't find any. There's not many homeless people in this area, I think. This douche is gonna scare the bird off, maybe. I guess he didn't. This one coming back. They're still eating, no? I thought they'd be full already. I have 2 more ribs. I could give each one, maybe. I don't know if they'd eat it or not. I'm gonna get another rib, see if they get it. Hey, you want another? Hey, they're very focused on that piece. Hey. Hey. You're full? Hey. I think they're pretty full. Must be. That one's showing no interest anymore. See? I think that one has no more interest anymore. No, he's going for it. Yeah, he is interested still. Hey. Whoa. Anyway, I gotta go. It's late and I gotta get home. So, hope you guys enjoy those ribs. God bless you.